Hi guys, today we're gonna be trolling as Glitch. Where's my name tag? Okay. So in this video we're gonna be using SFA paid menu. I didn't pay for it because I won the giveaway. Yippee! This menu is also completely undetected. Only $4 while most menus are like 10, 20, 30, 40. So Glitch, he plays like a little bit of a glitchy audio. You won't be able to hear it, at least I don't think so. But this button right here, my thumb, it has a jump scare sound. So we're going to get, we need invis. Right now. Hey guys, you can see we have Invis Monkey on. We're gonna go to code PP. Don't ask. I think it's full. I don't care. I actually kind of want it to be casual. What? It's normally packed. Are you serious?
Bro, what is that?
Yo!
Don't fuck that. Help me! Help me! Nigga, help me!
It's teleporting!
Hey, nigga!
What's its name say? Glitch! His name is Glitch. He is glitchy.
Just gonna sit down on my bed real quick. Oh no, that nigga teleporting.
Teleported over there. Everybody stay right here. I'm the FBI. Don't worry about it. Everybody come out here.
Nigga, you're just some bot. Bro, you're just somebody with the name FBI. Bro, run! Bro, run! Run!
Oh my god! What the fuck?
No! No!
Oh my god! He should be the tagger! His name should be the tagger!
Somebody tag me, tag me, tag me, tag me!
I didn't say a messy word. Oh, it's purple! Oh!
Wait.
Where'd he go?
Wait, did he leave?
Where'd he go? No!
Oh, shit.
Yeah, tag him. I bet he's gonna be the tagger next. Wait, what the? Oh no!
Hey, everybody go back up on the mountain.
No, he's about to jump up on us. Bro, she's over there now.
But who is he pointing at?
Us. Wait, no. I swear to God, if he teleports behind me.
Wait, everybody.
Where'd it go?
Wait, everybody just point at him.
Stop. It's in. He has mods.
Wait, everybody just.
Wait, that
next
is
time everybody just
fun.
point at him.
That is actually
Point
fun.
at him.
That is fun.
Oh, he's pointing at you. Wait, guys! Everybody point at him.
Peace. What the?
Okay, guys, that was a great lobby. We're gonna go on to the next code, which will be run. Oh, poop run.
Literally did it first try. Wait. Who were you again?
Yo!
Stop. I didn't even do nothing.
Yo!
Hold me back.
It's
Hold me back. I'm about to bitch out J3BU. I'm about to bitch out J3BU.
Guys, it's glitch!
Music started off pretty
Oh my god, it's my bestie.
I'm about to bitch out glitch. I'm about to bitch out glitch.
Monkey
yes,
boy.
monkey please ban that kid.
That's me! God!
Yes.
Is he is he alright?
What's gonna happen, bro?
Are you alright? Dude, run. Monkey boy, run. He's quick. Monkey boy.
Yeah, this guy's gotta be saved.
Yo, what the?
Yo, hey, you glitch.
Glitch
You're
is
gonna
going
want to
here.
go after Run. Please go after Run in GT. I fucking hate them. They deserve to die and burn down.
And Daisy Online. And the fake Daisy Online.
Bro, what? No one deserves to die. Of course, unless they're sick. No.
And then hold on, let me just take my hand out.
Eat my stick.
You're a wolf. Oh wait, I'm glitched.
My
It's tiny sometimes, but that's alright.
I'm glitched.
You wanna know how to whoa?
Yeah.
You good? You're supposed to put this in. I'm gonna do my work. I'm scared.
What was that? No one even cared. What?
What the hell? Oh my god! Oh, oh shit! I'm sorry.
Holy fuck!
I'm sorry. What's happening?
Bro,
What do you want? Leave me alone. You're not funny. Go back to your grandma's basement, little kid.
Hey,
Tim in the basement. I should be knocking out Jamie and Curly budget this trip. Everybody thinks that you're better, but you're really a midget and you're a female midget. Bro can't even talk to them. I rest you fast and you can't even see the little blue thing in the distance. It's just a little 5-year-old with the mom menu.
it is
Cool.
boring.
Nothing happened to me whenever he pointed at me. Was he expecting me to leave? Holy shit. Hey, it's your mom.
It's what the
You're dead, bro. She'll be my mom. She'll be my mom when
Oh my god.
This is not scary. Please, you're not scary. You're so boring.
here.
Oh, bro, you're so boring. Glitch.
I'm not scared of
Glitch,
him.
you're so boring. You're so
I screamed whenever he jumped in my face. That's just because he's gay. Like, who gave bro his command menu?
Your mom.
I know, exactly.
He's probably like,
So if anyone in this lobby sees this video, I just want to know that was so offensive that I'm going to die. That was the most offensive thing I've ever heard. Yeah. Yeah, I'm going to end this one right here. So, yeah, bye.